Okay, in a rectangle, how many different ways can you rearrange 360 people? So if it was like 10, right, it's going to be, it's the same as arranging 10 people in a straight line, which is 10 times. Like the first person has, we have 10 different choices for the first person, 9 different choices for the second person, and so on. So this is written as 10 factorial to represent, we're multiplying 10 all the way to 1. 10 times 9 times 8 times, and so on, okay? So, but if it's in a, like a rectangle like this, right? For example, if I had like person, let's do even like 4 people, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. So what I'm doing here is, these are different in a straight line, but I'm just shifting one A to second spot, third spot, fourth spot, but other than that, I'm just keeping the order the same. B, C, D, right? A, B, C, D, A, B, C, rounds D. So these 4, when you put it in a rectangle, right? A, B, C, D, right? And maybe you have here A, B, C, D. Depending on where like you're looking from, this and this will look the same, right? Like, because we don't know what's top and what's bottom. Now, because this is a rectangular table, perhaps, if there's a difference between, like, these two might be interpreted the same. So if you're looking from here, A is the opposite of the table, right? And B, C, D. For this one, I know A is at the bottom, but if you look from the top, from where you are, A is on the opposite side of the table, right? And to the left of A is B. To the left of A, there's B. So these two will look exactly the same if a person is standing here and they look this way and they look this way. But if it's a rectangular table, perhaps, if you put A here, it does look different. Okay. Okay, so this question actually needs to be a little bit more clear. So if we can treat the rectangular shape, right, more like a circular shape, then it's good. If there's 4 objects here, right, it'd be 4 factorial. If it's more like a circular shape, where as long as their relative position, so who's to the left and right of A, is the same, then we can actually divide this by 4 to get 3 factorial. So there's 6 different arrangements. If it's 10 people, it's 10 factorial divided by 10 to get 9 factorial. So for 360, it's 360 factorial divided by 360. However, if you have to treat it more like a straight line, right? And if that's what they mean, it's just 360 factorial. Right? In a straight line, the marching band, there's 360 factorial different ways to rearrange the 360 people in a straight line.